Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we delve into the stunning fashion world of Princess Catherine. From her show-stopping gowns to her chic everyday looks, we are covering it all. The good, the bad and the breathtaking. Hairstyle that impress and some that miss. Makeup looks that radiate royalty, shoe choices that leave us speechless, and of course we cannot forget about her dashing husband Princess William. How does he sport her fashion? It varies. In this video we are exploring Princess Catherine extensive fashion collection, highlighting her most memorable moments and even venturing into some of her not so regal choice. Yes, they happen even the royalty. So sit back, relax and get ready to include in some royal fashion inspiration. From her icon wedding dresses to her latest public appearances, we are analyzing every detail of her fashion choices. Red carpet gown that stun and sparkle. Daytime looks that are both stylish and practical. Even here authentic wear is an point. But what about those fashion moments that did not quite hit the mark? We will discuss the fashion risk she has taken and whether they paid off. And how does she use fashion to support British designers and brands. Plus we will examine how her style has evolved over the years. From the early days as Kate Middleton, her current status as the Princess Catherine. We will also look at how she balanced high-end designers piece with more affordable options. And the result is a wardrobe that's both aspiration and retailable. Of course, no conversation about Princess Catherine fashion would be complete without mentioning her signature hairstyle. That infamous Kate Middleton blowout has been recreated by the women around the world. But we will also explore some of her other hair moments, the good, the bad and the what was she thinking. And then there is her makeup style, always polished and put together. We will break down her go-to looks and share some tips on how to recreate them at home. Now let's talk shoes, from high heels to chic flats. We will see which styles she favors and how she used them to elevate her outfits. But fashion is not just about the clothes, it's also about the confidence and poise which you wear them. And Princess Catherine has that in spades. So get ready for fashion match masterclass with Princess Catherine as our inspiration. We will learn how to create our own royalty worth look without breaking the bank. And we will learn how to create our own royal worth looks without breaking the bank. And we will have some fun along the way because fashion is all about expressing ourselves and enjoying the ride. Thanks for joining me on this royal fashion adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more fashion content. Let me know if you would like me to add anything else. Thank you very much.